Another one we're going to move on to is the wedge. Okay, now the wedge is another kind of popular one in terms of the reversals, where you kind of see a move starting to weaken. Okay, so what you're saying is in this situation, the price is moving upwards. You see it then start to create what we call like a channel line, or known as like a resistance line, but at an angle. And then it comes down and creates what we call support. So you're starting to get what we call a bit of a squeeze into this level. Now, you don't know what's going to happen until you've seen the price break that trend line. Okay. Now, what you're looking at is when that breaks out the trend line, I would always wait for a pullback again because I want to get a bit more confirmation. And then as it starts to come down, that's when I'd look to take a trade with a stop loss just behind and a target to a previous support level. Okay, now this is normally a sign of momentum kind of dropping off of a chart. Very popular. You see this time and time again. The more you get used to seeing this, the more comfortable you are with your analysis, so you can understand when it's likely to kind of change direction. So that's your kind of rising wedge reversal pattern.